Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, Screaming Pugs. So today we are making Dadelballetjies.
Or date balls? Is that the correct translation?
Yeah, I don't really know what the English term would be, but it's basically dates that are shaped into balls.
Yes.
With other
balls.
ingredients. Yeah, very nice. We love it.
Would recommend.
I'm gonna try it.
Let's get to it. Okay, so this is your ingredients. You need some dates. This is 500 grams of dates, 250 grams of butter. Then also this is your crushed coconut powder. This is 1 packet of biscuits, tea biscuits. And this is your Castor Sugar. You'll need a full cup.
Half a cup.
Half a cup. And also your egg.
Okay, so on to the process.
Okay, step number 1. So melt your butter and add it to this pan. Yeah. So now we're just gonna melt it, let it simmer and so on. We'll back to step 2.
Okay, so the butter is melted now. We just turn down the heat a little bit so that it pretty much simmers from here on out. So we're gonna take a giant bowl of dates and add it to this. We're just gonna leave it to simmer for a while until it softens up a little bit. So as soon as it's soft, we'll be back with the next step.
Okay, so while our dates is softening up, we're gonna add our egg to our Castor Sugar.
Brian's favorite part, trying to break eggs without getting shell into everything.
I'm getting better.
Woohoo! Well done.
I crushed it a little bit with no egg. Perfect. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna mix this up and then we're gonna be back in the next step.
Okay, so our dates pretty much softened up like we want them to. So the next step would be to add the egg sugar mixture to it. I'm really hoping we're not like getting boiled egg in this, so wish me luck. Concentration. Just mix this in before anything cooks. Okay, so everything's pretty much mixed in. So we're gonna show you guys what the next step is.
Okay, it's time to add our cookies to the mixture. And I did it without a mess.
I'm very proud.
So it's gonna be a very, very cold Tuesday morning.
I think this is just gonna like drop the entire bowl afterwards. We can't make a video and not have a mess.
So I'm just gonna stir this till it's all nice and mixed. It smells nice.
Yeah. I am waiting in anticipation because I actually love these things.
Yeah, pretty much all of this is already booked out for other people. For dad, my grandmother, for us.
I think I have to take some to work later.
So yeah, see you in the next step.
Okay, so we let this cool down a little bit, just like enough so that you can actually touch it with your hands. Is it cool enough? We'll say so. Okay, so you pretty much just want to make a ball with this. So just roll that until you get a nice date ball. This is so not round. Why is it difficult to make a circle? Okay, it's still very soft. Okay, so then we just add it to our desiccated coconut and roll it around until it's completely covered. And you just put it on a plate and let it cool down. So we're gonna repeat this about 1,000 times and then we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is how much we made. These are still like really warm, so we're gonna place them in the fridge and just let them cool down for a bit, and then we're gonna do the taste test, our favorite part. Guys,
Taste test time.
they like finally cooled down. It took forever. So we only like have some of them because I will eat all of them, and we promised a lot to everyone, so I hope they're good.
So let's have a taste.
Get rid of some of this excess coconut.
That's good. This is better than the stores one actually.
Yeah. There's a place close by where we buy it, but they haven't had it in quite a while, and it's usually so good. And I haven't had yet that was like equally as good, but this is so nice.
Okay, so we left our cookies a little bit chunkier, so there's a little bit of a chew to a bite to it actually. So it's actually very nice and soft with that little bit of a crunch. So I enjoy it.
It's really good. And remember, if you're not a big coconut fan, you can use less, or you don't have to use any at all. Like, it's fine, you know, eating it just like that. It's just an extra, and it dries it out a little bit faster, I think. And remember to keep it in an airtight container, because unless you're gonna be like me and eat everything in one day, you know, it's gonna get old fast if you don't like put it away properly.
So yeah guys, drop us a comment below what you thought of our video, and also subscribe to us if you enjoy our content.
Yeah, let us know what else you'd like to see. Is there any other treats you guys know of that we can make? We're always up for the challenge.
Bye guys.
Bye.